Looking to bring back crisp, clear sound in your GM vehicle? AC-Delco GM original equipment car speakers deliver exactly that, restoring your audio system's quality with parts designed specifically for your ride. These speakers are GM recommended replacements, ensuring you get the same reliable performance you had when your vehicle was new. What makes these speakers stand out? They're manufactured to GM's original equipment specifications, meaning the fit, form, and function match your vehicle's factory components perfectly. That precision guarantees easy installation and consistent sound quality without compromise. Inside each speaker, electrical signals from your radio or amplifier power the voice coil, creating magnetic fields that move the speaker cone back and forth. This movement pushes air to produce the sound you hear. With AC-Delco's original equipment speakers, this process happens smoothly, delivering balanced, rich audio that enhances every song or podcast. I replaced a blown driver door speaker in my H3T with one of these, and the difference was immediate. The sound was noticeably clearer and fuller, and the price was surprisingly affordable. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big impact, especially if your factory speakers have worn out over time. Choosing AC-Delco means you're investing in durability and long service life. These speakers are built to withstand the demands of daily driving, from temperature changes to road vibrations, keeping your music sounding great mile after mile. If you want your GM vehicle's audio system to perform like new again, this is a smart, reliable choice. The perfect fit, proven quality, and affordable price make AC-Delco GM original equipment car speakers worth a look if you're ready to upgrade your sound experience. Ready to hear the difference? Try AC-Delco speakers when you're ready to restore your vehicle's audio. It's a straightforward solution that brings back the music you love, just the way it was meant to sound.